Hi, my name is Katherine Maldonado, and I'm the designer for Kayla Commuter Tote. So I wanted to just walk you through how the sew along works and to make it easy for you to navigate. So the functionality that I'm going to mention here is actually native to YouTube, and I just simply used it for my sew along video. I want to make sure that it's very clear how you can get to a specific spot in the sew along because it is a very long sew along. It's about 7 hours and 55 minutes long. So let's get started with that. So the first thing I wanted to mention is when you launch the link, you will get to an introductory screen. If you scroll down, you will see the description, and below that, it will say more. So it's these three dots and it says more. When you click on the more, as you scroll down, you will see what's called chapters. Some people may know it as timestamps, but you'll see chapters. I have broken down this video into several different sections or chapters to help you navigate quickly to the spots you need help with. If you want to, you can watch the video from beginning to end, no problem. You can fast forward, no problem. Also get to a specific spot without trying to hunt around. So the main part when we get in is the introduction. I talk about hardware requirements and notions. Something else that's in here is construction and substitution. So by simply clicking on any one of these blue links, they're hyperlinks, it will take you to that specific spot in the video. So if I click on the construction and substitution, it pops to the top and it starts playing the video. And I'll go through how it's constructed as well as substitutions you can use if you want to make this move. I have, for the purposes of this recording, turned off the sound, so that's why you hear no sound. The other thing you can do is you can take and put your chapters over here on the right. And the way that I did that is if I scroll down in the video, as I click on each one of these, I may not want to keep having to scroll down to get to the next section. So what I did is I scrolled all the way down to the bottom, past the chapters, and then you will see the chapters laid out here from left to right. If you click on View All, it will put your chapters on the right-hand side of your screen. And once they're there, you can then just simply use the scroll bar to scroll up and down over here, and you're still always going to see the video playing. Now, one thing I want to mention about chapters being on the right-hand side is that as you select something, you will have to click the play button to start the chapter playing. So that's a little bit different. In addition, when it comes to the chapters, I have done things like put them into batches. So these batches coincide with batches of constructing your bags, batches that you're laying your pieces in. So if you wanted to, for example, do straps and connectors, you would simply go to batch one. It would take you there, and then you'd need to click on play for the video to start. The other thing I've also done is I have broken down where I felt you may want to get to a specific point so you don't have to fast forward. The first part of straps and connectors is the connector portion of it. And then there is the main strap construction, and then there's the adjustable strap construction. So if you just need help with the adjustable strap, you can simply just click on that link. It would take you there, and then you would click on play, and then you would start your adjustable straps. Okay, so this is the section where I start talking about the adjustable straps. Another good example of that is if I look down, it says batch exterior front, and then if I look down batch 3, exterior back. If I wanted just to start my exterior back and I needed help with that, or I just wanted to, somebody to sew with in the background, you can click on that. But if, for example, I know that there was a question around the cell phone pocket, I could click on cell phone pocket, get directly there, click on play, and it would start the video for the construction. So I hope this helps you. Please ask any questions that you may have. Also, please post progress pictures. So bags in the works. It helps to inspire others and it helps us to cheer you on. Thank you so much.